So this is how you can add a yellow basket in your TikTok shop. Go ahead and go to your profile and then tap on TikTok Studio. Once we're here, as you can see, there's this monetization tab. We're gonna want to tap on TikTok Shop for Creator under that, and here we are. Feature your favorite products with TikTok Shop. Now make sure you have all of these requirements. You have to meet their community guidelines. If you don't know what that is, you can go ahead and tap on the bold text, and then under that is have over 600 followers and then be at least 18 years old. So tap on apply and it's going to load. Once it stops loading, you can go ahead and choose products that you can add to your TikTok videos. By products, I mean those yellow baskets that people add in order to get sales. So as you can see at the bottom, it says start earning. Let's tap on that. So here we are. You're going to want to choose a product that you want to add to your yellow basket in your videos, and this is what's going to appear. At the top, there's earn however much per sale, which shows how much you're going to earn per every item that the customers buy from your yellow basket. And then at the bottom, simply tap on add to showcase, and it's going to move right to this basket looking logo. This is our showcase. So basically what you're going to want to do is add these items to your showcase, and then later on when you want to upload a video, it's going to have this showcase button which you can click and then choose an item from your showcase. That item will be your yellow basket for the video. So as you can see, I'm here in the TikTok camera and we're just simply going to want to choose a video or a few photos that we can post along with our yellow basket. So let's tap on next. And here we are. So if we tap on next again, we can actually go ahead and tap on add link and then choose product. Now, we're gonna pick from our showcase, which I showed you earlier, and then simply tap on add, and it's going to add the product to the video, and then choose the name for the product. This will appear next to the yellow basket. So let's tap on add once again, and as you can see, there is the yellow basket. If we go ahead and post, the viewers will see the yellow basket and simply tap on it. Once they do and once they buy it, we can earn the commission, and it's basically earning money for free. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.